Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed Norfolk with a DC-30. This is the exterior of what is a very pretty, practical little boat. As you can see, large well, nice and deep, blue and white, painted, in pretty good condition. The paint needs touching up here and there. Good handrails everywhere. Full sliding saloon roof. Very underrated little boats, these Dawncraft 30s. Sorry, DC-30s. Big aft well. Nice, safe, wide decks. You see the roof come all the way back down to here. Main shore power. Could do a little clean on the outside. Nav lights, pump out toilet. Enormous front well. Really a very tidy little boat. If you'd like further information on this DC-30, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.